We're gonna do the tricep press next. We're gonna do 10 reps. You're gonna raise your arms up, and you're just gonna bring them slowly down and up. Down and up. You get the picture? Boat pose is for your abs. So you're basically gonna take your elbows to your knees and then extend out, in, extend out. Do this till you think you're gonna die. Deadlifts. Keep your knees slightly bent. I think that's the one thing I always used to forget to do, and it actually causes injury, so be careful. Knees slightly bent, and you're just gonna dip down, and you're gonna come back up. Do 15 of these. So we're gonna do some leg drops for your abs. So you're gonna basically come up like you're doing a crunch, and then you're gonna drop your toes, touch down. And you're gonna do as many of these as you can, because you want awesome abs, right? Let's aim for 25. So here's the dumbbell squat. I'm using 5-pound weights. You can use whatever weight you're comfortable with. Feet shoulder width apart, and you're gonna dip down for 25 reps. Overhead press works your shoulders, and we all want nice shoulders. So you're gonna take your weights, whatever weight you're comfortable with, stick your chest out, and go up. Ooh, that was a little crack. All right, you're gonna do 10 of these. Standing posture curls. So you're gonna take your weights and you're just gonna lift them up like bicep curls, but you're using your posture and your core a little bit more. So here we go. And we're gonna do 30 of these bad boys.